In this video, we will show you how to add and edit the product details component. The product details component displays the details of a shop product within a normal page, allowing you to create a completely custom product page. The component has two versions, a version displaying the full product details, and a version showing everything minus the product name, images, summary, and description. To add this component, click the Add option button, and then under the Shop tab, click the Product Details component. Click anywhere on the Product Details component to change its settings. First, decide which product to show. Then, choose whether to show the full product details or add to basket details. Click OK to apply the changes.